Welcome to our online yoga community. I'm Mimi, and I'd like to share with you an overview of what we do in some of our classes. We have 12 classes a week, including gentle yoga, yin, restorative, happy backs, and Pilates. The classes are recorded so you can also view those at your own convenience. You can also go to my website, mimisolaire.com, for more information and the schedule. I put together several clips from our classes for you to see. Enjoy the show. From child's pose, come up onto your hands and knees. Span your fingers wide, bring your shoulders right over your wrists, and pull your knees in right under your hips. Inhale, cup. Exhale, cat. Good morning, Rocky. Take your left hand to your waist, roll the shoulder back, and then reach your left arm up. Just going to raise the right shoulder up. I'm lifting it. I'm pulling it back. Now this time I look up. I take my ear to the shoulder, and then I twist. Ooh, such wonderful discomfort. Open up your hips, circle your hip side, and the foot just stays where it is. When the hip rotates, the foot rotates. Raise this arm up over your head. Again, tricep, 1, 2. So thanks for taking time to see what we do here. Please join us, make new friends, and stay healthy. Namaste.